In this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust the screen size in OBS step by step. First, if you're trying to increase the preview size, here's what to do. Move your cursor to the edge of a panel until the cursor changes. Then click and drag to resize the panel and make the preview area larger. If that doesn't work, right-click on the preview screen. Go to Preview Scaling and select Scale to Window. To change the size of a source like an image or video, click on the source to select it. Then click and drag any of the corner or side handles to resize. By default, OBS keeps the aspect ratio locked. If you want to resize freely, hold the Shift key while dragging. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo. To crop instead of resize, hold the Alt key, then click and drag one of the edges. This lets you trim the source instead of scaling it. If nothing is moving when you drag, right-click on the source. Go to Transform and select Reset Transform. For advanced adjustments, right-click on the source again. Go to Transform and select Edit Transform. Here, you can adjust the size, position, rotation, and crop pixel by pixel. Click Close when you're done. Like and follow for more